Alright, in this example we're going to sketch piecewise functions with polynomials. And it's kind of helpful to first identify what type of polynomials we have. Here we have a parabola, right? A linear function, and another parabola. So that helps in graphing. So what I'm going to do is start with this. F of x equals 1/2 x squared. Just start with the first one. I'm going to put -4 in here. So I'm going to do f of -4. I get 1/2 times -4 squared. Well, -4 squared is 16. So I have 1/2 of 16, which is 8. So I put a -4 in, I got an 8 out, and that represents a point. -4, 8, right there. Draw a closed circle because of the equal to sign. Now I'm going to do the same thing with -2. Instead of a -4, instead of a -4, I'm going to put a -2 in here. So -2, -2, -2 squared is 4 this time. Half of 4 is 2. So I put a -2 in and I get a 2 out. So -2 and 2. And put a closed circle again right there, and that's because this is equal to. Alright, now I'm not going to draw just a straight line. I'm going to try to draw a little bit curved because it's a parabola. So I'm going to try to draw it like this. A little bit curved, a little bit of a curve there. Alright, so just curve it right down to there. Then let's go to the next one. F of x equals x. So if x is -2, then I put a -2 in there, and what do I get out? A -2. So f of -2 equals -2. So input was -2, output was -2. -2, -2 is here, and it's an open circle this time, right? Open circle because it's not equal to. Alright, then we do it again. F of x equals 2. This time I put a 2 in, I get a 2 out. So that's 2, 2. And that's here, 2, 2, and that's an open circle. So at 2, 2, I'll put an open circle. Alright, how am I going to connect that? Well, that's a linear function. It's a line. It goes straight up to that, straight through there like that. Oops. Well, straight through. It's a straight line there. It's hard to draw on the computer here. Straight line. Alright, now we go to the next one. X squared minus 4 is a parabola. Again, I start with the f of x equals x squared minus 4, and I put a 2 in there. F of 2 equals 2 squared minus 4. And 2 squared is 4, minus 4 is 0. So I have the point 2, 0. So I go over to 2, 0, and is it equal to it? Yes, it is. So I put a closed-in circle. Alright, now I change the 2 to a 4. Now I go f of 4 equals 4 squared, but that's 16 minus 4, or 12. So in this case, I have 4 comma 12. Now 4 and then 12 is way up here at the top. Right there, and it's a closed-in circle again. Alright, and what type of a line am I going to draw? Not a straight line, but kind of a curved line. So I have to bring it up like this. Perfect. So kind of a little bit of a curve going up, and then that's my graph. Alright, then I can check this on the computer or calculator here. Now look at my graph is here, curving down, going up, and then curving back up, and here's the calculated version. Defined, defined, curving down, open circle, straight across, closed circle, and curving up to that point. So there's the function.